Hello, it's Peter from the maths team again with another home learning activity. This time my wife Gillian and I are going to show you how to play a game called Turn 2. You can play this game in any different year group. We're going to play the year 5 and 6 version, which means we've got the numbers from 1 to 12 in a pile and we've made sure we've mixed them all up, and we're each going to turn over at the same time the top 2 cards in our pile. But because this is the year 5 and 6 version, we're going to multiply the 2 numbers and practice our times tables. Whoever has the highest answer gets to keep the cards that we're showing, and the loser is the first person to lose all of their cards. Are you ready to play?
I'm ready.
Here we go then. I've got 5 and a 3. 5 3s are 15.
I've got 5 and 12. 5 12s are 60.
Those are yours because 60 is higher than 15. I've got a 7 and a 4 this time. 7 4s are 28.
I've got a 9 and a 2. 9 2s are 18.
So those are mine. Thank you. I've got 8 and 2. 8 2s are 16.
I've got 7 and 4. 7 4s are 28.
28's the biggest. I've got a 9 and a 12. 9 times 12 is 108.
I've got a 10 and a 1. 10 1s are 10.
Oh, that's mine, the highest. You carry on playing like this, as I say, until one person has run out of cards. Oh, an easy one here. The 1 and the 10 times table. 1 10 is 10.
I've got 8 and 11. 8 11s are 88.
There you go. I've got 6 and 11. 6 11s are 66.
I've got 3 and 6. 3 6s are 18.
Mine, thank you. 9 and 2. 9 2s are 18.
I've got 12 and 5. 12 5s are 60.
There you go. 7 and 4. 7 4s are 28.
3 and 5. 3 5s, 15.
We're going to finish there, but remember, the person who wins is when the other person has lost all their cards. Enjoy playing the game, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.